European wall outlets differ significantly from standard North American sockets, operating on unique plug formats like Type-C, E, and F, alongside a higher native voltage. To keep your smartphones, cameras, and laptops running smoothly without a hitch, a reliable travel plug adapter is an absolute necessity. Here, we have best plug adapters for Europe.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Tessan plug adapter. This highly versatile power solution excels at expanding a single European wall socket into a multi-device charging hub. Featuring a smart, space-saving design that utilizes multiple sides of the block, it allows travelers to connect standard American 3-prong plugs without blocking adjacent outlets. The inclusion of fast-charging USB ports ensures your cell phones and tablets receive steady power without requiring bulky individual brick chargers. It is engineered with premium fire-resistant materials and fits snugly into standard European recessed wall plates to prevent sagging under heavy cords. Perfect for cruise ships and older hotels where power outlets are sparse, this dependable block easily handles everything from laptops to camera batteries while taking up minimal space in a carry-on bag. On number 2, we have Anker Nano travel adapter. For the tech-focused minimalist looking for maximum performance in an incredibly small footprint, this premium multi-pin adapter changes the game. Built with state-of-the-art compact technology, it packs folding pins and an ultra-slim profile that drops effortlessly into a pocket or small tech pouch. It sets itself apart by delivering dedicated high-speed USB-C power delivery capable of rapidly charging modern smartphones to half capacity in just under 30 minutes. The intelligent internal temperature control system continuously monitors heat levels to protect connected devices from overcurrent risks during overnight charging cycles. Its exceptional stability and premium matte finish make it an outstanding choice for digital nomads and minimalist business travelers who need high wattage performance without carrying excess weight across continents. On number 3, we have Hanycony HN23T plug adapter. This exceptionally lightweight 5-in-1 power block offers an incredibly practical configuration for couples or families traveling with a heavy rotation of tech gear. It merges 2 traditional North American AC outlets with multiple smart USB ports, distributing power efficiently based on the specific power needs of each connected device. Lacking any internal surge protection mechanisms, it is completely compliant with strict cruise line safety regulations, making it an essential companion for both land and sea expeditions. A subtle, built-in power indicator light lets you verify at a single glance that the wall socket is active and delivering current. It serves as a highly efficient, budget-friendly workhorse that ensures your cameras, e-readers, and backup batteries stay completely energized throughout your entire European vacation. So, these are some of the best adapters to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.